Hello YouTube, Techcoms here. Today we're going to be talking about electrical engineering, in specific geyser maintenance. That is what we're going to be focusing on. And for you to be able to carry out this task, you have to be qualified, and you need the following: the geyser element, a new one, and also a geyser thermostat that is also compatible with the element. So that these things will work together as one unit. Then from there, what you need to do is you need to isolate on the electrical breaker. Then you go outside where your geyser is, or in the ceiling, sometimes on the roof. Then you have to yank out. After taking off the cover, you have to yank out the thermostat of the geyser, just like I did right now. Then you need an Allen key to remove the bolt that is holding the element, and also a 13 spanner or a socket that I can empty the geyser of all its water that it's got. So when you take out that black cover, that is when after you drain the water, that is when you have access now to completely take out the element. Then after you have completely taken out the element, you fit in the new one and also the new thermostat. Then you have to make sure that all the connections are safe and secure to avoid situations of whereby you have electrical arc. Then during the cleaning process, before you put back that black cover of the geyser, what you need to do is you also need to check for calc build-up. The calc build-up is calcium carbonate. It is usually associated with the reaction of the water and the heat. That is some white substance that usually build up on the system. So in the end, what you need to do is you clean on the inside. You can use a hose to clean inside, but there is a restricted access for one to access. So that is the calc there. Let me just go down a bit. Let me just zoom down a bit so that you see where the calc is. So the calc, just hang on, need to sort out my camera here. Hold on. Okay, so from here you see that white substance, that is the calc as it's going on the wall there. And then after you finish with the installation, you have to make sure that you open now the water supply. Then the geyser will start filling after the cleanup, and from the cleanup then you have to wait for it. You can hear some hissing sound as it is building up the pressure inside, because it will be empty and it will be full of air. So as water goes in, it will eject all the air that was inside. So as a result of this is a 150 liter geyser, and you have to make sure that after the cleaning up, there is the calc. You can check on the pavement there. That is the calc, and right on the pavement there is more calc. You see, all that was in the geyser. This is as a result of the hard water that is in the area. So you have to know if your area has hard water or soft water. Then you buy the element accordingly, because there's hard water elements and there is also soft water elements. So after the geyser is full, you can decide to close it or you can leave it open. You just choose what suits you. Most cases, many people, they just leave it open. So just to make sure that it is full, you have to leave it open and let it get full. Then in half an hour after you've switched on the mains, you're supposed to get a difference now. Then you can feel the temperature of the water. It should maybe be ranging between maybe 40 or 50 degrees Celsius in half an hour. So that's about it. Like, subscribe at TechComs, and don't forget to comment in the description below.